All right, hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can see how many words you have written on Google Docs without actually individually going through and counting them all. So just so we're clear, if there was any misconception, Miss Salyer is only counting the words that you wrote, right? So only these words that I have started responding to from the prompt, not these words, but these words. What you have written, you will highlight. You'll see that I have done that here. Once you have your response highlighted, you will click Tools, and then the second thing under Tools is Word Count. Once you click Word Count, it will tell you I have 67 out of 222 words. So that means that there are 222 words on my page, on my document, and I have 67 of them highlighted. So because I am counting words for this assignment, if I was you, I would check Display Word Count while typing and click OK. So then you have it down here, 222 words total in the document, and my response I have highlighted for 67. So if I was going to add another sentence here, you see that the word count went up, and then when I highlight, it went from 67 to 76. Like I said, this reflection needs to be at least 200 words. Please let me know if you have any questions.